How's it going, YouTube? We have another install video today. We are installing the Fram Extra Guard engine air filter. It's right here. I'm a little bit overdue to change my engine air filter, but my sponsor has been awesome. Fram sent me out this to test and install on my Bronco and see how it does holding up off-roading. I go pretty often, almost every weekend if I'm not busy. Either out in the desert, mountains, snow, whatever. I'll be out there. I'm always trying to go explore. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this today. It's pretty simple. There's only 3 bolts on the actual engine air filter, the cap, and then you just gotta pop out one of the little clips in the front, and then you're good. So it should be pretty quick. So hope you enjoy. Hate these things. They are a piece of crap. Alright. As you can see, there's nothing really holding this air filter on. It just sits there. It slides on. As you can see, mine's pretty dirty. So let's just take this one off. Yep. So here is the factory air filter. As you can see, this dust is literally falling off it. That is from a lot of off-roading. And then this is the brand new one from Fram that I'm installing. You can see way cleaner. This one's way cleaner. This one's been used and abused. So alright, so now we're going to put the new air filter on. It just slides right onto this round ring right here. So pretty easy. Just want to make sure it's all on there. Yep, it is on there and secure. Now we're going to install the cap back on. I need to push it down just a little bit more. There we go. Just gotta get down with a little bit of force. And there you have it, guys. That is the engine air filter change, 2020 to 2024 Bronco. There you go.